Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Click the purple Create a Design button, then search YouTube thumbnail. Next, we're going to go over to our projects folders, then folders. We're going to click on the 60K folder. Next, I'll add another page, and I'll add my images to each page. And I'm going to resize this image till about right here. Now I'm going to go to Edit Image, Adjust. I'm going to adjust this brightness down to about -21. Then I'm going to increase the vignette all the way up to 100%. Then I'm going to take this image of the Tesla Model 3 Performance, and I'm going to remove the background. Then I'm going to resize that to about right there. I'll delete this page right here. Next, I'm going to go, now I'm going to select the Tesla. And we're going to go to shadows and add a drop shadow to the image. Resize it because it reduced the size a little bit. I think right there is fine. Now I'm going to make some adjustments to the photo. So the first thing I'm going to do is reduce the brightness all the way down and increase the contrast all the way up. Now increase the highlights all the way down. Reduce the shadows all the way down. Increase the whites to about 13%. Increase the blacks all the way to 100%. Then I'm going to go to the draw tool, change the color to black, and change that weight to about 40. I'm going to zoom in. Well, that's not black. Then I'm going to black out all of the windows. Reduce that size of the brush a little bit. All right, that's looking good right there. Okay, now we're going to add some text. So I'll press T for the text tool and type $60,000. And I'll resize that to 124 for the font size. And I'll change the font style to Helvetica Neue Bold. Then I'm going to go to Effects. I'm going to add a curve. And I'll change that to 19. And I'm going to add the neon effect. And I'll change that intensity to 81. And I'm going to change the color to hex number 02B E46. I would size that just a bit more. That's the final result. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guide down in the comment section.